Uploading once in a week cannot grow your channel, and uploading once in a month or daily cannot grow your channel either. Now the question is, how often can a beginner upload a video per week? Let me tell you the truth. You are a beginner and confused about how often to upload a video. This particular video will save you the months of try and errors. No guess biggest mistake the beginners make. Most beginners think that uploading consistently or uploading multiple videos is equals to fast growth. Now listen and listen very good. If you keep on uploading bad videos, the YouTube will not promote your video, okay? YouTube promotes your video according to how people interact in that your particular video, okay? How long people watch your video. If people are not interacting in your video, or if people are not engaging in your video, YouTube will not push your content, okay? So I would advise you to calm down and create a good and quality content that people will engage with, so that the algorithm will be able to push your content to the audience that need it. Do you understand? Now the best upload schedule for beginners, okay? Now as a beginner, I will advise you to upload 2 times in a week, okay? I won't advise you to upload consistently. That is, I won't advise you to upload daily, so that you will not feel burnout when you didn't see the results that is required, okay? So now as a beginner, you have to upload 2 times in a week, okay? And as you are uploading 2 times in a week, make sure that you are improving in your title and your thumbnail, okay? Now what is title? Title is the first write-up that people will see in your video before they will click on, and thumbnail is the first picture that people will see in your video before they will click on it, okay? So you have to make these two things to be catchy. Do you understand? Once it is catchy and interesting, once your thumbnail and your title are interesting, people will be able to click on your video and watch long, okay? So as a beginner, you have to improve in these 2 things, and also try not to be burnout, okay? Don't try to upload daily so that you will not feel burnout. Do you understand? Now if you are a busy type, or if you have another job that you are doing aside YouTube, you can upload once in a week, okay? Uploading one quality video in a week can blow up your channel overnight, okay? The only thing you need to improve is these 2 things that I mentioned already. Do you understand? Now here is what matters more than frequent upload, okay? Now listen and listen very careful. There are 3 things that matters more than frequent uploading, which is your click-worthy title, your eye-catching thumbnail, and watch time, okay? Now if these 3 things are not included in your video is not going to perform very well, okay? So one good video with these 3 things that I mentioned on it, you have a high chance of getting a viral video. Do you understand? Now here is the beginner's upload formula, okay? I will advise you as a beginner that you should upload 2 times in a week, or if you don't have chance, you can upload 1 short in a week and 2 long form videos, or you can upload 1 long form videos and 2 shorts in a week, okay? As you can do it, okay? Just the only thing you need to do is to make sure that your thumbnail, your title, and your watch time are okay in that your particular videos. And for you to improve in your watch time, you need to make your video to be engaging. You have to use the first 3 seconds of your video to engage with your audience, so that they'll be able to watch longer, and by them watching longer, you'll be able to accumulate a good watch hours, which will make YouTube to push your content. So by uploading your video like this, the YouTube will know people that need that your content and push your content. Now, my final advice is this: don't ask how many videos can you upload a videos. You can upload as many times as you can, okay? But the only thing you need is consistency. You can upload 2 times in a week, 3 times in a week. You need consistency, okay? So this consistency will help you not to feel burnout in your videos. Do you understand? If you are a beginner and at the same time you are struggling on how to grow your YouTube channel, subscribe to this channel for more practical tips on how to grow as a beginner, okay? Thanks so much for watching, and please comment down below at the comment section how many videos are you going to upload per week? Okay, or how many videos have you already upload per week? Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye.